In this video, I will show you how to get a YouTube video URL link step by step. So make sure to follow along to quickly copy and share any YouTube video link from your phone, laptop or PC. And before we do get started, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do first is of course find the video that you want to get the video URL link for. So in this case, I've just searched for myself and I'm just going to use one of my videos. So let's go for this one here. What you want to do is click to be taken to the video page. And once you've done that, if you look underneath the video, you're going to see a share button. If you don't see the share button straight away, there might be an ad showing. So you want to make sure you skip past the ad or wait for the ad to finish. And once the actual video starts playing, you should see the share button come up. Give that a click. That's going to open a window like this. And this is going to display the video URL link. To the right hand side of this, you can see we've got a copy button. So just simply give that a click. And what you can then do is paste that or send that or use that wherever you want. And that's going to take you directly to the video. So that is how to get YouTube video URL link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.